We are in Los Angeles. Elevated Media is in LA. I just got here. It's been a long day of traveling, but I have actually been keeping this kind of on the low. I am out here in California visiting Unique Style Racing, so I'm gonna go link up with them for the next few days, do some fun YouTube stuff, some installs, and it's gonna be great. I'm wicked excited to be out here. I've never been to LA. Just got to the hotel room. You know, you got a nice chair, air conditioning, which you need in LA, come to find out. Big old king-size bed with this nice little dude chilling there. And we got some snacks, some peanuts. Nice, very great. Oh, look at that dude. He's got a lazy eye. TV, a little fridge, a little kitchen or sink, bathroom, all that good stuff. Yep. So, this is just epic though, guys. I have never been out here. I've been to like Northern California, and this is a first for me, but look at this, guys. Freaking palm trees, man. Palm trees. It's about 70, 75 degrees out right now, so I'm definitely loving this way more than Massachusetts. I think back when I left home, it was actually like 35, 40 degrees, so LA is much better this time of year. Not sure what the game plan is tonight. I know I need to go get some food, and then we start up everything with USR, Unique Style Racing, tomorrow. We'll be spending the day at their shop for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and then we take off later on Thursday evening, but I'm just so excited, man. I'm so excited. I'll show you guys the whip that we got on Turo too. We do have, I think, 1 or 2 cars lined up at their shop that we get to do some lighting mods on. Maybe some stuff you guys haven't even seen on market yet. I don't know. Not sure what I can release. Still have a lot of catching up to do with these guys, but I think right now I need to go get some food. I am starving. Had like a 3-hour long layover. Got delayed a bunch in Texas. It was just a crazy long day, but guys, you want to see what car your boy scooped up? I never thought I'd even be driving one of these. Got ourselves a Mustang. Actually, I don't even know if it's a GT. I forgot to check. I don't think it is. I think it's just the, what is it, the 4-cylinder turbo? Yeah, I don't believe it's a GT, but it is a soft top. Never even had or driven a convertible, so this will be pretty cool. He's on some real meaty tires. These things are balling. I'm gonna go ahead, take this thing out, go find some food, see where the day takes us. Ooh, nice little vinyl wrap going on. Dude, I respect it. Got a carbon fiber plate frame. Let's go. Not bad. I actually really do like the inside of these. I used to work at Hertz, and we used to have a lot of these Mustangs. So I guess I did drive one before. It wasn't a convertible. But yeah, man, this thing's pretty sweet. Got the, what? Whoa, chill. Can't be getting copyrighted, yo. Oh yeah. Tops off, boys. We out here. First stop in California. Had to do it to them. But dudes, there are just sick cars everywhere. We got this little Del Sol over here. This dude's nice little Civics over there. Bro, just sick cars everywhere. I don't even know what to do with myself. It's like such sensory overload out here, but dude, this is sick. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go eat, man. Hungry as hell. Nice. Dude, this thing's pretty solid for just like a rental. Not bad at all. Big fan of Turo so far. Oh boys, I am tired. I think I'm gonna wrap things up for the day. I'm just so exhausted from traveling and whatnot. I wanna make sure that I get a nice little head start on some sleep before. Yo, chill with the horn, dog. And then in the morning, I gotta wake up early, get myself ready to go start our first day with USR Auto. So I'm just super excited about it, guys. I'm gonna roll this vlog into tomorrow, so hopefully I'm not sure what type of coverage I can get while I'm there, but I will do my best to get you guys some behind the scenes and whatnot, so it'll be good. I think with that being said though, I'm just gonna close it out for now, and I will see you guys first thing in the morning. Good morning, YouTube. We are back day 2 in LA, and I figured we would just do a quick little cinematic. I'm on my way to USR right now, and I wanted to get you guys a little cinematic of the Mustang, the Turo rental, so let's just jump right into it. Hope you guys enjoyed the cinematics. I am on my way now to Unique Style Racing to meet up with them for the first time. So let's just be on our way. I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, so this is going to be the first car that we're going to be working on today at USR. I just arrived, got met up with everybody, and we're going to be basically installing, I believe, headlights and taillights on this thing. So we're going to start by upgrading these, then we're going to move to the taillights and get these done, but very sweet color. Very excited to see the upgrade on this thing. So I'm currently right outside of the Unique Style Racing warehouse. Guys, this is massive. If you guys haven't checked out their website, I am sure that they have something for your vehicle, so make sure you go head over to usr.com and check them out. Quick update, the USR team right behind me is getting started on some Impreza headlights, an upgrade that they're doing. It's the same car we just did the taillights on, so it's getting the full facelift, but essentially we're going over the workflow process, how to record, how to edit everything and get these videos a little bit more ready for YouTube, and just trying to improve efficiency and kind of tips on how to get things going. So right now we're just gonna go ahead and get these basically all installed, and I think we even have another car later that we're gonna be working on. So just lots of mods, lots of installs and lighting today. So really good first day, really excited to be here, and I'll keep you guys updated as we get on further throughout the day. We just wrapped up the taillights and the headlights on the Impreza. I'll go ahead and show you real quick. Here's a look at the taillights. They're a smoked housing, and they reverted to an LED for the brake and actually turn signal. So it's full LED in there. It looks really sharp. The back end, it definitely just fits this car quite a bit. So let's take a quick look at the front. But this Impreza is getting quite an upgrade. And to be honest, I didn't even know that they made the C lights for these older models on the Subarus. So it definitely gives it a nice facelift just right up front. But as you can tell, we have the nice C light right up front, and definitely just gives the whole older Impreza a nice new look. Definitely a solid upgrade.
We have also other options for these headlights. We have Xenon D2S, clear reflector, amber reflector. These right here are halogen. If this video helped you out, hit the thumbs up button, like, subscribe for our future contents, since we're helping you illuminate your presence.
Yes.
A little bit better?
Alrighty guys, so we just finished up the second install video for the day on the Impreza. We've got the headlights all finished. Big shout out to these guys. They've been killing it today with the install and filming. It's been great. Now I think we're gonna, if we have time, jump over to one more car and try and get another mod done, another video created. And then tomorrow, we're gonna wrap things up here, and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. It has been a long but very awesome day. It was so great to meet everybody here at USR. Just so humbled to be out here and working with these guys. It's truly amazing where YouTube has taken me, and hopefully where I'm gonna be going in the future. So guys, I think that'll wrap it up for today's video. I'm gonna be out here for a couple more days, so no doubt that I'll have more content coming from USR and just some more LA stuff. So stay tuned for that. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, keep elevating, peace out, all that good stuff. Bye-bye.